Ian, the great thing about coming to shows like this at Star is it brings together all the latest products, companies offering new innovations. DC Swiss UK, in just maybe a few minutes, could you tell us what you've brought to the open house and what engineers should come and see that you're offering?
Yeah, certainly. We are grateful for Star for giving us this opportunity to show the tooling that we have, the new tooling. In particular, we have 3 really good products for the multi-market. The first being a combination of Biltz's new patented thermal ER collet. This is obviously appropriate to milling as well as threading. In this case, it's actually combined with the DC Swiss new GWI whirler, which actually the thread sizes that we can achieve on this as standard is metric 0.3 with an 0.8 pitch, right up to kind of 20 millimeters in diameter.
I can barely see that tool. Do they go much smaller as well?
Yeah, much smaller. This is kind of metric 6 typically. The benefits of it is that we present the coolant in a certain way, which substantially increases tool life. For some reason, it actually affects the deflection as well, so it improves that. We have examples in our facility for R&D that we are getting 5 times the amount of tool life out of the similar tools, just based on the coolant presentation. But the collet itself naturally gives us that over a steel sprung collet. Again, run out is a major contributing factor.
That's heat shrunk.
It is heat shrunk, so you get in less than 3 microns run out in comparison to 5 over a steel collet, and that's brand new out the box. That steel collet will go off gradually. The thermal collet will stay at 3 microns or below throughout its lifetime.
Incredible what you can learn here. Okay, right, let's pick another product here, Ian.
Yeah, we also have the new 4-cut threading insert, external screw cutting insert, and this is from a company called SmeeCut. What this is capable of achieving is just absolutely stunning in exotic materials. So again, tool life is usually affected by the strength of the insert, the tangential mounted system. We've got 4 edges, tool life, finish, all these things make for a much improved kind of performance level.
Okay, I'm sure you've got others as well. Keep going. Give me a third. What about on the deburring side you were talking?
Yeah, we also responsible for Hoyle. Hoyle are deburring and reverse feature machining specialists. Okay, so we have 2 examples here of an uneven bore deburr and a flat surface deburr. So working on centerline, and they're very quick. They're for high volume machining type of techniques. And basically you can deburr front and back bore or just back, whichever you prefer. On the uneven surface you get a radius deburr, and on the flat surface you get a chamfer deburr. We've also got the backspot facing tool, which again is automatic. Centrifugal force is activating the blade. Coolant pressure is actually closing the blade. So a technique is required to actually doing this. This is a major product for us.
I could probably spend 20 minutes here with you, Ian. I'm not going to, and I'm sure you don't want to either. We do need to do more with DC Swiss UK. Thank you very much for your time today, and enjoy the rest of the open house.
You're very welcome. Thanks, Paul.